adventures. For today, we're going to do our DIY. Yes, so we're going to make our own Christmas tree, decorate it, and we're going to also make some Santa stockings for dolls. Yes, so as a doll collector and also a doll diorama enthusiast, I like to decorate the scene as well. So I have here the base of our Christmas tree. So I bought this from Daiso and it's like that. So it's just for DIY. At least we have the star on top already. So for those who could not buy this skeleton tree, yes, you could also improvise by using carton boxes. Yes, so we're going to do that too later on. Now, for the leaves of my Christmas tree, I decided to use this one. Yes, because it's all sparkly. Yeah, so green Christmas tree, right? Yes. So for our stockings, I'll be using leftover felt cloth. Yes. So red is the color, and we have our red thread, our needle, and scissors. So anyway, let's go. Let's start our decorating. Let's go. Now for our doll stockings, I decided to make the pattern. After all, this is for a doll, a 1/6 scale doll. Yes, there. So that we can put the stocking either at the Christmas tree or in our fireplace, right? So like that, yes. So it's very easy. We're just going to, okay, sew the sides, okay, so that we can make the stocking. Let's go and make it. So now that we are finished with our our stockings for dolls, here we're going to use our glue gun with glue stick. So we're going to just cut some part of this, okay, and then we're just going to glue it there to make it look like Santa's boots, right? So let's go and let's glue this already. So this is our Christmas room. So I already did this part. So we're trying to make a fireplace here. Hindi ko pa po napiprint. Then this one, we already had that before. So this time we're going to put our finished, okay, boots. Now what I did, so I placed some, okay, hooks there. Yeah, there. So it would be easier. Okay. Yes, there. See? So when you're going to make a DIY, make sure that everything is okay. So we have 3 boots. I actually made one. So this one extra, we're going to put it somewhere. But I know I have, oh, there. Kasi I measured it. So, for our gifts for our dolls, this one, I made this long time ago. I think this was last Christmas, wherein we printed the design for the Nendoroid. Yes, the box of the Nendoroid. Yes, now for those who still want to have this, okay, we have the pattern in our Facebook page. Yes, so just print it out and enjoy. Now, for this year, because I am enjoying Barbie dolls, so we printed out this very nice Barbie looks. So yeah, so it's not very clear because the print isn't that clear anymore. So okay, there. So we have different designs you could choose from. So once again, the patterns can be found in our FB page, Divine Adventure. So if you like to give your Barbie doll a gift that is Barbie looks, you can just print it out to our size. Yes, our wallet size would be good. Yes, but I suggest you find a nicer printer because mine, okay, the color actually, the quality actually could not be seen, so it's like it's very blurry, right? Blurry. So anyway, because I am into online shopping, so I was deciding to give my dolls some kind of gifts coming from our online shops. Now I bought this, yes, from an online store, and I will be placing the store's link below the description, so then you can click it and then look for it. Yes, so this is actually a mini packaging, and I like this very much because as you can see, okay, it is giving us the sort of a my doll ordered in Amazon or in Shopee or Lazada kind of stuff. Yes, so this pack comes with scotch tape. Yes, it has also some kind of billing stickers. This one there, I'm not sure if these are stickers, but you can use your glue for it. Okay, and then we have this one, the boxes. Wow, so you can see the boxes we have. So you can see the boxes. So these are, so I have this one, yes, and this has, okay, ito natin. So I ordered this for my dolls. So you can see this is a pack of boxes, yes, and I will be placing the link below so that you can actually buy something for your dolls, right? So it's like your doll was ordering from online stores. Yes, so anyway, let's open it up. So this pack comes with, wow, this one, it comes with the scotch tape and some kind of print. Yes, see, there's a print saying DHL. Wow, so it's very detailed. Yes, and then we have the boxes. Wow, we've got Amazon, so it's like your doll is ordering something from Amazon, and we've got DHL. Yes, DHL. Wow, I'm liking this. Okay, and then you've got this. I'm not very familiar with this. We have OCS. Oh, sounds familiar now. And the UPS. Wow, these are American brands. And FedEx again. Oh, I've got two FedEx. No, one FedEx. One other one is Amazon. So how are we going to make these boxes? Very simple. Da-da-da, like that. And then just fold it. Okay, like that. And then, ta-da! It's a box. Yes. Can this actually fit? Nah, it couldn't fit. This one is quite bigger. So, okay, if you have something like this, maybe you can just, gift wrap it. Okay, or just put a ribbon, or just give it to your doll. But for this, maybe other items like a doll, comb or anything, or even food inside, so that, if you're going to make a diorama, it's like your doll received something she ordered from FedEx. Yes. Of course, the scotch tape is going to tape it all together. Yes, right? So, what do you think? I think this is very amazing, right? Now, actually, what I did, I ordered two, so I was able to put the scotch tape already. Then, see, we have JD. And then this box is the one I like. tmall.com, because of the cat. I love cats. Yes, and then we have the STO Express. So I think these are Chinese companies. Yes. We have the EMS. Oh, wow. And then this one, SF. Yes. So once again, we've got these little tags that are going to be placed on the boxes. So it depends on you and how you're going to design your boxes. But all in all, these things are very nice gifts for our dolls this Christmas. Yeah, so let's try to arrange them. Yeah, so that we can already put them under the Christmas tree. Let's go! So here, let's put our boxes. Yes. Let's put them under the Christmas tree. Like, hello, we have a delivery for you. Yes. There. So most of the time, during Christmas time, yes, online shopping is very, very famous because some people, they still work, right? They have overtime work. Others, so they don't like to be part of the Christmas rush. Okay, then the traffic. Yeah, so like that. So it's like our dolls actually ordered all the gifts they could think of from online shops, online stores. And then here, so this one's, yeah, you can add that up. So we have the Barbie looks here. So it's like we bought all of our Barbie dolls for our dolls. Yes, there. Now here you could also add up on the seat, like, for our diorama. It's like the dolls are already opening up some of the boxes that we have, right? Yes, there. See, so it's just like that. Now, unfortunately, we could not place it inside the stocking, and literally the Barbie boxes could not be fit in the stockings, right? So it's just like that. So here we have our Christmas room. Okay, and I bet our dolls are going to be happy this Christmas 2022. So hanggang sa muli, kita-kits na lang. Paalam! So, we're finished with our Christmas, our Christmas diorama. We have our own mini Christmas room. Ano pa bang kulang? Yes, we need to have a Christmas outfit for our dolls. Yes. Now, ano kayang magandang Christmas outfit for our dolls? So, these are the Christmas elves costumes I bought for my dolls, for my FR dolls. However, I am not sure if it will fit them. Hopefully, it will. But these clothes are actually for Barbie dolls.